In this video, you'll learn how to merge documents in LibreOffice. Whether you're looking to combine multiple drafts into one cohesive file or simply streamline your workflow, merging documents in LibreOffice Writer is a simple and efficient process. By following these easy steps, you'll be able to consolidate your documents in no time. First, you'll want to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download and install the latest version from the official LibreOffice website. Once you've opened the application, you'll be greeted with a start screen offering various options. For this tutorial, we're focusing on Writer, which is LibreOffice's word processing app. Click on Writer document to open a new or existing document. Once you're in LibreOffice Writer, locate the menu bar at the top of the screen. You'll see a series of drop-down menus starting with File on the far left. Click on File to open a drop-down menu with several options related to file handling, such as new document creation, opening existing files, and printing. From the File menu, look for the option labeled Merge Document. This feature is specifically designed to help you combine multiple document files into one. By clicking on Merge Document, you'll open a File Explorer window. This is where you'll select the documents you wish to merge. Navigate through your folders to find the necessary files. You can select multiple files if needed, but for simplicity, let's start by selecting just one file to merge with your currently open document. Once you've chosen the file you want to merge, click OK to proceed. LibreOffice will then begin the merging process. Depending on the size and number of the documents, this might take a few moments. During this process, LibreOffice integrates the content of the selected document into your current document. Be sure to check the formatting and content alignment to ensure everything appears as expected. Sometimes after merging, you might need to do a little bit of formatting, especially if the documents had different styles or page layouts. And that's it, you've successfully merged your documents in LibreOffice. This feature is incredibly useful for combining reports, compiling research, or simply keeping your work organized. Remember, if you're dealing with sensitive information, always keep backups of your original documents before merging, just in case you need to revert to the original versions. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently merge documents in LibreOffice Writer, saving you time and helping you manage your files more effectively. Whether for personal use or professional projects, mastering this feature can significantly enhance how you handle your documents. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.